Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into advanced system repair. Is it a scam or a savior for your PC? So, you've probably seen ads for advanced system repair promising to speed up your computer, fix errors, and remove malware. Sounds great, right? But is it too good to be true? Let's start with the basics. Advanced System Repair, or ASR for short, claims to be an all-in-one tool that cleans junk files, repairs registry errors, removes malware, and updates drivers. They even have certifications from the Better Business Bureau and Appisteam trying to build some trust. But here's where things get interesting. User reviews are all over the place. Some folks say their PCs are running like new, while others, not so much. There are major complaints about deceptive billing practices and bad customer service. Some users even experience system instability after using it. Yikes! So what sets ASR apart from the pack? Their competitors like Restoro, CC Cleaner, and IOBit Advanced System Care offer similar functionalities. But let's talk about differentiation. ASR could seriously benefit from focusing on three key areas: transparency, value-driven pricing, and proactive maintenance. Imagine a version of ASR that openly addresses billing concerns, offers tiered pricing to fit different needs, and focuses on preventative care. That could be a game changer. Concept 1. Reclaim your PC's potential, safely and transparently. This would focus on rebuilding trust by addressing past criticisms and showcasing improved customer service. Transparency is key. Concept 2. Unlock hidden performance, tailored to your needs. Here, ASR could offer different subscription tiers from basic cleanup to advanced optimization for gamers or productivity enthusiasts. Personalization is a huge selling point. And Concept 3. Effortless PC maintenance. Prevent problems before they happen. This would highlight ASR's automated features like scheduled scans and driver updates. Proactive maintenance could mean fewer headaches down the road. So, is advanced system repair a scam or a savior? It's a mixed bag. If ASR can address billing transparency and improve customer support, it has the potential to be a strong player in the PC optimization software market. But remember, always do your homework before installing any software on your PC. Look up reviews, check forums, and maybe try a free trial if available. You don't want to trade one set of problems for another. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Have you tried advanced system repair? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.